good grief. So there you go. A lot of palaver to get this. I wish I could have flown the drone along and flew some of the way towards Loch Doon, but Prestwick Airport's just over there, less than a few hundred yards I think, and well, the runway is anyway, so I can't fly the drone here. So this is why I bought this 3-metre selfie stick that should be invisible and you shouldn't be able to see it, so that I could simulate this flight. So I'm going to walk along there again, and this time not talk. František Hikl, 312 Czechoslovak, RAF Heathfield, Spitfire 7540, final sortie, blah de blah, and fateful mission, and here we go. Right, that should do me. This video has been months and months in the making, from all the different locations that I've had to go to simulate this flight from here to Loch Doon, where the Spitfire came down. I've already filmed the final part, but I did fly my drone over the loch and simulated it crashing, and it very, very nearly did crash. So that's the wee bit of background that the members will get to see, and then maybe later on in a year's time or so I'll release this members video to the channel. Thanks.